Stunning images. Heavy snowfall hits Moscow and Siberia. More than 50 degrees Celsius were measured. The cars are under the snow. The storm produced large snowdrifts across the capital, some measuring more than 40 centimeters high. Temperatures in parts of Siberia plunged to minus 50 degrees Celsius, while blizzards blanketed Moscow in record snowfall and disrupted flights as a winter storm hit Russia. In Yakutsk, one of the coldest cities in the world, temperatures fell below minus 50 degrees Celsius. An abnormally early cold wave dropped temperatures to minus 50 C in several areas. According to meteorologists, an exceptionally powerful winter storm will unleash dangerous weather in the eastern two-thirds of the country over the holiday weekend, disrupting air and land travel during one of the busiest times of the year. Snow and high winds could affect major airport hubs. Blackout conditions are expected, and travel will become very difficult or impossible. That cold will hit the East Coast on Friday, arriving abruptly as a flash freeze that could cause temperatures to drop 25 degrees or more in just a few hours.